Hey everybody, this is a tutorial on how to make a cool animated intro. First go to Media Generators, then choose Text, Default Text, and then write anything you like. I'm gonna write CMNZ Production, which is my YouTube name. Now choose 36 in size. Then make sure draw outline is checked, and then choose the color you like. I'm gonna choose red. Now take the width up to about 600. Then close this down, you don't need it anymore. Right click on the clip and then choose Media FX. And then check the Show Me Light Rays and click on Add. Now OK. Then you pull the strength up to 600. That's good. And then you drag the timeline. Just drag the timeline to about here. And then pull the square to the left. Now pull the timeline to about here and move the square down. Now take the timeline to about here and the square to right. Pull the timeline to about here and the square up, and at last the timeline to the end and the square at the middle, and close this. It will look like this. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Now we need the background. Go to Noise, Texture, and choose anything you like. For this tutorial, I'm gonna choose Starry Sky. You can also download some animations and use. I use this one now. Then you take this to the half of it and pull the progress in degrees to 2 and to the end, and the progress in degrees to about 4. That's it, and now it would look like this. Feel free to comment, rate, subscribe, and make a video response. Thanks, I'm out.